next award, I would ask Attorney General Dennis Roberts to stand up to present, and it's going to Eleanor Candy Brown McSwain, who is the founder and executive director of Destiny House in Rhode Island.
Yes, this is lovely. One thing I'd like to echo, I think it was General Pine and General Violet who said the same thing. We want to thank General Kilmartin for carrying it out. Really, it's a wonderful tradition. Patrick Lynch came up with this idea several years ago. And we've been meeting here and honoring people who honor our society, including you. And that's what we're here for right now. I just want to say that all of us who have been the Attorney General or who are currently the Attorney General, I think we all understand the great privilege we have of being the Chief Law Enforcement Officer of the state of Rhode Island and carrying out the responsibilities in that office and working with people in law enforcement, in social services, in all of the things that we do. So we have here tonight Eleanor Candy Brown McSwain. And let me just read the, because I can't do any better than the formula that's been put together here. She's been an advocate for victims of domestic violence for more than 20 years. As a survivor of horrendous physical and emotional abuse, she was motivated to help other victims. She began her work in domestic violence as a volunteer for Rhode Island's first court-based temporary restraining office in 1989. She is the founder and executive director of the first domestic violence organization in Rhode Island that deals specifically with issues that impact the minority community, where, as we all know, there is a huge problem, with a focus on minority adolescents and teens. Destiny House involves model helps to victims to identify past traumas and understand how they can impact decisions about education, relationships, and lifestyle. Through outreach, education, and advocacy, Destiny House addresses the social, emotional, and intellectual issues of urban youth struggling with domestic violence. And so for that, and by the way, she was nominated by Rochelle Baker, who was her chairwoman, and who obviously understands a good thing when she has it. So, but with that, I'm pleased to honor Candy with the award this year. Congratulations.
I was thrilled when Candy's name came across the desk as a nominee. I've known her now for almost 20 years, and I know her commitment and her dedication to the minority community in Providence, to victims of domestic violence, and the personal strength she has had to bring forward her mission. And I just want to say thank you, and thank you for your friendship for all these years, Candy. So I was just thrilled when your name came across my desk.